before I got my first 100,000 subscribers, I've listed here the 16 things that I've learned and I wish someone told me earlier. Number 1, nobody cares about your YouTube channel. People only care about themselves. You make content for them, not for yourself. Your first 50 videos are probably practice. So stop expecting life-changing results from video number 3. A good topic beats a good edit. So I've learned this in hard way. Most creators don't have a content problem. They have an attention problem. Number 5, the algorithm is not against you. People are simply choosing not to click your video. Number 6, subscribers don't pay your bills. Trust me, because the views and the watch time of your audience will pay your bills. Number 7, some of your best videos will flop, but some of your average videos will explode. Number 8, the market decide, not your feeling. Okay? Number 9, YouTube rewards obsession. So the creators who win are usually the one who can't stop learning. Motivation is useless. System are everything. 11, you don't need more information. You just need more uploads with the right strategy and system. Most people quit right after they improve. 13, one winning format or strategy can change everything. Number 14, growth becomes easier when people recognize your content instantly. 15, the biggest mistake is changing direction too often. So most channels die from inconsistency. So it doesn't mean that you are posting daily, you are consistent. Some of our YouTube channel built with strategy. They built with content founder strategy. 16, YouTube is not a video platform. It is an attention business. So the day that I understood that, everything changed. Honestly guys, getting my first 100,000 subscribers was not the biggest lesson that I've learned. It's all about learning how attention works and building system with the right strategy. I just want to give you some a little bit tip. Do not focus to become a famous. Focus on becoming valuable. Because if you give value from your content to your audience, you will win here in YouTube space. And the views will follow, the revenue will follow, the money will follow. So if you learned something in this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Once again, this is Glenn and I'm rooting for you.